Hello friends, welcome to Head of Tel Education. Today our topic is convert C++ code to Python code. Now here we are going to write code in C++ and Python by using this flowchart which is represented by product. Okay. Now first we take the flowchart. So flowchart is start here. Now in this box I have created variables product, price, quantity, discount, discount amount and total, and initial equal to 0. Now this is the input output box in flowchart. So message is showing enter product, price and quantity. Now input product name, price and quantity value. Okay. Now next, here this is the condition box. Now I am going to check if the quantity is greater than equal to 10. If condition is true, then we will set the discount equal to 10. Otherwise discount by default is 0. Next, this box is calculate the price for this. So total price, and if discount is available then minus the discount value. Now finally the print the product info. So product name, price, quantity, discount amount, total or final price means, and flowchart is stop here. Now this flowchart is convert to first in C++. So check. So here in on top I using the header files iostream.h and conio.h. Now create the class first here. Now initial according to flowchart initial variables. So product array, character array, integer, quantity, discount, float, price, discount and total. Next I have created here private function which name is calculate price. So this function is used to calculate the price. Okay. Now next I have created here public function. Public function, first we set the value product value. So call the input. So discount initial 0 and discount amount also 0. Now ask to the user enter product, price and quantity. So cout using this cout here, and in in using product, price and quantity. Then I call the here private function calculate price. Okay. Now next again here write the public function. So print the product info. So product name, price, quantity, discount amount and total. Now this class is product class. Next create the main function to call the product class object. So this is the clear screen here, back screen clear. Now product object p created. Now next p dot input product, so input value, and p dot product info, so display the product value. Now wait for output get ch and return 0. So this is the complete code of C++ inside. Now this code we will how to write in Python. Okay. So both are similarity because both are the object oriented language. So here now this time here I am included iostream.conio.h. Here the sentence is import os. Okay. So this file I have import here. Now class, create class product. Here create class product and use the colon operator. So Python is intent based language because indent is mentioned here. So product colon. Now this is the, here I have created the variable. Okay. Now this is the created variable for this. So this is function. what name? Function name is underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and pass the self name. So define function init for initialization. Now this is the import OS file. So os.system called CLS. This is the system command. For DOS prompt, if we want to clear the screen, write the CLS command. Or in the C++ or C, we use this function CLR SCR to clear backend screen. So this is same function for this. Here I am calling system function CLS. Now next, create the product variable self.product empty, then self.price default 0.00, self.quantity also 0, self.discount also 0, self.discount amount also 0.00, and self.total equal to 0.0. So this is the called the constructor, means we can say this is constructor. When create the object, the all values initialized automatically here. Now in C++ I am not creating the constructor, I using the variables and initialization in function, input function. Okay, now next, this is calculate function. Okay, this is private function in C++. Before the public keyword, okay, all variables and functions are private. Now this is the same. So calculate function is private here. Now here define underscore underscore calculate price. Okay, so okay, these are function, because here I am using the underscore underscore, this is the private function for this. So underscore underscore calculate price self means object pass object prop. Okay, so now next, the condition check. If quantity is greater than equal to 10, means if int self dot quantity, this is the string type, and convert I am here integer conversion. Okay, so quantity is greater than equal to 10, so set self dot discount equal to 10. This is the same as it is. Okay, now self dot total calculation calculate price, so total equal to float self dot price, so this is also a string float and multiply by integer quantity. Okay, so total value is coming, then discount equal to self dot total is multiply self dot discount divided by 100. Okay, and then total equal to self dot total minus self dot discount, so this is the final price of this. Now this is input product in C++ function, public function. Now this is the public function. Here define, not using here underscore underscore, so define input product. Okay, self asked and colon operator is used here. Now self dot discount equal to 0 and self dot discount amount equal to 0. This is the same like here. Okay, now C out and C in is used here. So here I am using 3 value in same time input. Okay, so self dot product comma self dot price comma self dot quantity equals to input function using Python. Okay, so new line, the message is showing enter product name and price. Okay, so this type of input is string input. Now so this is the string input, so now I am using this function dot split function, so split by space. So the first name is product assigned to product variable, price assigned to price variable, and quantity assigned to quantity variable. So the price and quantity is as a string assignment. That's why I am converting here typecast using int function. So self dot quantity and float self dot price. Okay, that's why I'm using. Now call private function here, so self dot underscore underscore calculate price, so this function is calculate the price. Now finally print the product info. So again public function I have created, define and definition or define product info, pass self and colon operator, then print new line product name self dot product price self dot price quantity self dot quantity discount amount self dot discount and final price self dot total and new line. So this is the fully class of product. Now create the product object. So here is the way to create the project. P equals to product, okay, and square brackets, sorry, round brackets. Now next, call the function is same, p dot input product and p dot product info. So this is the program of Python, okay, by product. So both are the same way to write the code, but difference is only we use the class product colon, and here I created any function using the colon, and after that indent is maintained, then again using the colon. So the Python is decided each and everything by using the colon operator. So next colon means new, next colon means new, okay. So this is the Python project. Now next, we have a demo also for both code. Now tell summary. Finally explained flowchart, and with the help of flowchart write C++ code first and explained. Next, C++ programming code convert to Python code and explained. C++ and Python both are object oriented language. Also compared both code, okay. Learned create class, function and object of class, public and private keyword. Hope tutorial will help to find, to learn and write code in C++ and Python object oriented language programming language. Thanks to watch Head or Tail Education.